Hi guys, welcome to Code Artisan Lab. This is video number 73 for multi-vendor e-commerce website in Django with ReactJs. In our previous video, we have seen that how we can delete the product, right? Now in this video, we will move forward and we will go to orders and we will fetch the orders, right? So in this specific video, we will fetch the orders with the condition it's completed or not, the status, and in our next video we will work on the actions, right? And we will see that which action should we perform, right? So let's fetch the order data and see how we can do this. Okay, so what we will do, we have already designed this page, so we will open the seller panel, then we will open the uh, vendor orders, right? So what we need, we don't need the logo, right? And we need sidebar. Okay, so let's open the model of orders. So here we have a backend and let's go to main model. So what we will do, we will fetch this specific this vendor specific product, right? So here this order is connected with the customer order time and order status, and this order items connected with the product. So what we will do, if product belongs to this vendor, right? So this is the product attached with the vendor. So if we will fetch all the products which are belongs to the specific vendor, right? So let's fetch the data. So what we will do here, we'll say order items, right? But for the specific vendor. So what we will do, copy this and we'll say vendor order items, right? And here in this we will pass here the query string. We will pass here query, will let's see tag list. Oh, no, we no need to do this here, we need to do in the views, sorry. So let's go to views. I thought we are in the view. Okay, this is very disturbing, so I'm going to hide this extension, this git lens, because it's very disturbing. Disable, right? So let's go here, remove this. Still showing, it's saying reload required. Okay, let's reload this. Okay, now it's clean. Okay, so what we have, let's go to product tag, product detail, product list, and let's say order item list, right? Customer order item list. Now we will say vendor order item list. We'll say vendor order item list, right? And we will pass here the vendor ID, right? So let's say vendor ID. So vendor order product, actually this order item direct connected to the product, so we'll say product vendor ID and we'll say here vendor ID, right? Now we need to search this URL. So where is the URL here? So where we are fetching this customer order item list. So let's see customer order item list here. So we'll copy this one, right? And we have seller panel vendor here. So we'll say vendor and order items, right? So here we will also say vendor order items, right? Now we can call this URL. We didn't define the name. Let's define the name. Vendor order items. No need, we'll just pass this one. Name is helpful when we are fetching the when we are setting the URL in the Django template, but we are in the JavaScript different platform, so we will just use this URL, right? So now vendor orders, so let's first constant, then we'll say uh, order items, set order items equal to use state, and this will be list, right? Okay, now here we'll fetch the data, so we will use the fetch API. So we have seller products, so here we are, right? Let's use the use effect also. Okay, use effect fetch data, and here what is the URL? We need to also define the base URL, and so this is the base URL. Base URL product, what is the URL? Vendor order items. So we'll say vendor and order vendor ID, right? So we can get the vendor ID from the seller products. Actually here we are fetching product, this is also not correct because we are fetching all the products, but we need to fetch only the specific product, right? So what we need to do, seller update product, what we have here, vendor ID, we need this ID. Let's correct this one, then we will go to seller products. So vendor ID here, right? Correct. Customer register, customer order item. Okay, we need to fetch only the specific seller products. Okay, we'll do that, but let's fetch the orders first. So vendor ID order items, right? And then we have set order items, right? Now let's console the result. Okay, so order items. Now let's go here, use state. Okay, this is fine. What we need to do, import use state, use effect, correct? Logo is not defined. Where is the logo? Logo. Actually we'll show this. Let's remove this because here we will show the image. So where else is logo? Find logo. Oh, actually we have so many tr. Let's remove. Okay, we have only two, so let's remove single one. All right, so we have orders, right? Let's see the console. Array is empty for this vendor. All right, so let's go to admin. Let's go to admin and let's see the order items. Vendor. Okay, vendor orders. Customer is this, vendor, the product is, okay, order items, product is Flask, Python, Django. Okay, let's go to product, Flask. Okay, vendor one. Let's add the product then. Okay, so add product. let's add Python vendor 101 title testing detail price 100. I think okay, let's do that. And then price $160 2 tags demo URL downloads is fine. Save. We need image product file. Save. Okay, so testing job is vendor 201. Now we need to add the order items. First of all, order customer, let's say Suraj 1. Let's say total amount is 160 USD is 2. Order status is this, and let's say order items, add order item. Order is 10, product is testing job, quantity is 1, price is 162. Save. And if I go here, it should show the data, and data is showing here, right? So ID is showing here. Let's now what we need to do now, let's fetch the data. So what we will do, we have data here, order items, and we need to run the map function with the tr, right? Let's do here. Okay, and then we have item index, right? And then we have item dot this is actually order item. Let's say product. What happened? See, let's go here, this object. Okay, product is already fetching, so let's say product. We have 0. Okay, 0 object id order product dot title. So product dot title, right? Okay, now product dot price, we will set the USD and other things, see that. And now but status, so let's see here. So if status, what we have here, status order status, order status, right? And if this is true, then we'll show this one, else if not, then we will show let's say warning f check circle not completed, pending, and we'll say dots, no dot, this one no. So let's see font, or we can do spin. What is this? Spinner. Okay, so now image, price, status. We also need to do image product, image source. So here we will do here image. Images not exist. Media product images. All right. So we have fetched the data. Did we add the images? Product, products, testing job. We should have image. So why the image is not found? Oh wow. Okay. So what we need to do, update product. So here we are fetching the image. Let's go. Featured image. Yeah, image is fine. Source. It should fetch the image. Not sure why this is not showing. Link. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, let's go to products and let's go to testing job. Here image is showing. How we are showing that image here? Item product dot image. We are showing the image there. Products in the serializer. Let's go to serializer. Product list serializer. List the serializer. String related product images. Product image serializer. Image. Yeah, this is fine. It should show the image. We'll see that how the why the image is not showing. But we are fetching the data, right? And one more thing we need to do, we need to do here index plus one, right? Now we can do one thing, we can show the edit tab for this product, or maybe we can show the product detail, right? So we'll see that what we should show, right? Now in our next part we will work on the actions, right? So when user add to cart and paid the amount, then he can directly download the file, right? So I don't think we need to give the status to approve, but we can give we can perform action revoke, right? If anything happen, then we can revoke to download, right? So if vendor change the action revoke, then customer cannot download that product, right? Currently it is downloading. So we will work on the action, and we will also give the link, and we'll see that why the image is not coming, right? And status is pending. We will also show here the status, that why the status is pending. So status should be automatic, we can't change this, right? So in this video we are succeed to fetch the order items. In our next video we will work on the actions, and then we will finalize our order section, then we'll work on the customers, right? So thank you so much for watching the video, and stay tuned with the Code Artisan Lab. And as you know, if you need the source code, then you can just go to Code Artisan Lab GitHub, and you can find this repository, and you can just support me, and I will provide you the source code. Okay, so thank you so much for watching the video. Please stay tuned with the Code Artisan Lab, and share, subscribe, like this channel, like this video. And yes, I'm trying my best to complete this project as soon as possible, so we can start the next project with the Django and Next.js with the PostgreSQL, right? So I just want to make sure that user on this channel are comfortable with these three technologies: Python, PHP, JavaScript, and uh, gradually we will work on the different frameworks, Django, Flask, Fast API. In the Python, in the PHP, we'll work on Laravel, WordPress, Codeigniter. In the JavaScript, we'll work on ReactJs, Next.js, Angular, Node.js, right? So all these things will happen definitely on the Code Artisan Lab. I just need your support, so support me. I will try to complete, I will try to cover more and more projects with different technologies, right? And all the projects will be big, no to-do list or no small projects. Okay, so thank you so much for watching the video. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.